What's this? Let's find out. So what is it? As far as I understand, this is one of the components for the DAGR system. I'm not too familiar with it, so I don't want to comment beyond that. I could actually even be wrong about the DAGR part, but I'm fairly certain. How we're going to use it is we're going to use this component as a cell phone holder. In this example, we're going to go ahead and take an iPhone 10, drop it in there, make sure it's seated down here, clip it in place, and she's not going anywhere. She's going to be nice and stuck. So you can go ahead and mount this pretty much anywhere in your truck as you please. In our case, we've got a nice and surface over here for the passenger, and we're going to go ahead and mount it here, but you can mount it anywhere. It's got hardware in the back. You can take this back plate off and screw it on from the front here, or if you wanted to, you can mount this back plate somewhere else and mount this onto that. So essentially it's fairly versatile depending on what you want to do. All you need is a flat surface to attach this to, essentially. So it doesn't really have to be this setup here. It could be anything with a flat surface, whether you wanted to do it flat on your radio tray or you wanted to somehow mount it against the surface of the front of your dash, whatever you wanted to do. But in our case, we're going to make it simple. We're going to go ahead and mount it over here for the passenger. Got basic screws, which are not included with it, but there's nothing special about these screws. You can pick them up at any hardware store. We're going to simply go ahead and for just demonstration purposes, we're not going to get them very snug or anything. We're just going to go ahead and mount them up over here just for demonstration. It does have 4 holes. We're not going to mount all of them just for the sake of time, but essentially this is intended to give you an idea of how you can mount this. We're going to take our little iPhone here and we're going to go ahead and drop it in there, and she's in there. She's not going anywhere. It's pretty nifty and nice and handy, and it actually fits the military look of it. So if you're looking for a cell phone holder that is military-ish, you can take this DAGR component and use it for your iPhones and such. If you're looking for a product like this, feel free to check it out on damagecontrolcustoms.com. We'll also be listing it on eBay, of course. Preferably you buy it at damagecontrolcustoms.com. Thank you and have a good day.